Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Robinhood Web API access detailed guide step by step clearly. To register for Robinhood Web API access, start by navigating to the Robinhood website. Create an account if you don't have one yet. Click on the sign up button located on the home page. Fill in the required information, including your email address and password. Provide your phone number for two-factor authentication. Verify your phone number by entering the code sent via SMS. Complete the registration by filling out additional personal information as prompted. Once your account is created, log in to your Robinhood account. Navigate to the Resources or Developers section on the Robinhood website. Look for information regarding API access. Read through the API documentation to understand the requirements and limitations. If available, you might need to apply for API access via a specific link or form. Fill out any necessary forms for API access with accurate details. Submit your API access application and wait for confirmation from Robinhood. Once approved, you will receive your API keys and further instructions. Store your API keys securely, as they are essential for accessing the API. Familiarize yourself with the API endpoints provided in the documentation. Test your API connection using a tool like Postman. Begin integrating the Robinhood API into your application as needed. Ensure you comply with all terms and conditions outlined in the API documentation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.